Do you want to enjoy the 4 seasons? Let's explore them. Come on, have fun with me.
For more interesting videos, share and subscribe to Hiba Story World.
Cold and warm and windy days, sunny skies and flowers blaze. Listen close and sing along, the season's poem is coming strong.
Clap your hands, tap your feet, learning time is such a treat. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. The seasons are ready to say hello.
Winter comes with cold, cold air. We wear warm clothes everywhere. Caps and coats and gloves so tight, keeping us warm day and night.
Snow falls down so soft and white, everything looks clean and bright. We sip hot soup and cocoa too, warm and yummy, good for you.
Winter days are short, nights long. We cuddle close and sing a song. Cold outside, but hearts are bright. Winter season feels just right. Spring comes dancing soft and slow. Bye-bye winter, hello glow. Flowers bloom in red and pink, so pretty, what do you think?
Birds sing songs up in the sky, butterflies go flutter by. Trees wear leaves of fresh green hue, springtime feels so fresh and new.
Warm sunshine and gentle breeze, buzzing bees near blooming trees. Spring says smile, laugh and play, what a happy, lovely day.
Summer comes with sunny days, golden light and warm sun rays. Time for ice cream, cold and sweet, drip drop melting, what a treat.
We wear shorts and hats so light, play outside from morn till night. Splashy water, swim and run, summertime is full of fun. Juicy fruits and lemonade, under shady trees we've played. Hot, hot days, but smiles are bright. Summer season feels just right.
Autumn comes with windy air, falling leaves are everywhere. Red and yellow, orange too, crunchy leaves beneath our shoe.
Days feel cool, not hot, not cold. Stories of the year are told. Pumpkins big and apples red, yummy pies we love instead.
Trees wave by to leaves so slow, autumn whispers time to go. Soft cool days, calm and kind, autumn brings peace to heart and mind.
4 sweet seasons, one by one, each is special, each is fun. Winter, spring, summer, fall, we love the seasons one and all.
Clap for you.
You did great today.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
We love all the seasons.